Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H8CA152. This is a 2008 Cadillac DTS. Of course, with a 4.6 liter North Star V8. This is going to be a brief test. It did have a front end collision and the cooling was knocked out. So just going to let it run here for a minute. Check engine lights on, but I'm not surprised with that much front end damage. Revs up nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and shut her down here. You can see it's got 172,723 miles on it. But it was a well-maintained car. Actually thinking it may have been a government car because it had some pretty intense glass and it was locked and we had to work our way in. So at any rate, thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H8CA152. Thank you, and as always, God bless America.